Hey sugar swappers, how are you doing today? Today's amazing recipe is this yummy hot keto, sugar-free, vegan, gluten-free and of course immunity booster, high protein and rich in fiber badam milk. And it's a very simple and easy recipe to make, and even my throat is also down, so I'm going to make this for myself and I'm going to drink it hot. Yes, you guys can drink it cold also. You can refrigerate it and drink it or enjoy it cold. It tastes best, whether it's cold or hot, it tastes the best. And it's very simple to make. I'm also sharing the ingredients and the link for the full recipe in the description box. So let's start making this amazing recipe, guys. So in a bowl I'm taking a half cup of cashews and soaking them in hot water. Because I'm going to make it instantly, I'm going to soak it in hot water. Otherwise you can soak it all overnight also. And I have added a cup of peeled almonds, which were also soaked, and now I've peeled them, and I'm going to grind it into a smooth paste and keep it aside for now. Now let's just boil 1 liter of milk. Any milk of your choice is good for this. I'm taking coconut milk here because I want that flavor of coconut also. You can add almond or coconut or any kind of milk. And I'm also adding the almond and cashew paste gradually, and I have added a half cup of keto sweetener. That's a sugar swap keto sweetener. And now I'm adding a pinch of a teaspoon of haldi and a teaspoon of elaichi powder in the end. The milk is almost boiled and the paste is almost absorbed, so let's add some kesar, just to get that flavor and nice color too. I'm also adding some diced almonds and pistachios into this, and just keep the lid aside. I'm going to have this hot, guys, because of my throat, as I've already told you. But you can also just close the lid and put it in the refrigerator and drink it cold too. This tastes amazing in any form. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do comment in the comment section whether you loved it, liked it, made it, tried it, and how did it turn out. Please do let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thank you. Namaste.